Ow! What's up, guys? It's JP, and today we are going to start bending that pipe like we were talking about last week. Went to Harbor Freight, got this little 12-ton pipe bender, and yeah. So we're gonna start on pipe bending for today. I got my lovely assistant. What's your name again?
Corbin.
Oh yeah, Corbin. That's right. And then we got the seat in last week. We got the steering wheel. We got the tires. Got everything still laid out. I am gonna have to get some parts from Go Power Sports because I had to send the other ones back because it just wasn't gonna work out. They were cheap crap. Thanks, Amazon. You let me down again. I should have learned the last time, and I should have just went with Go Power Sports anyways. So, 2, 1, action. Let's go going.
Yes.
Action. All right, so we're about to start laying this pipe down, and I'm gonna use this jack real quick. But I'm gonna set y'all up on extra speed so y'all can skip the boring part. Be around those because I don't know how well this thing's gonna do bending these tiny 90s or these corners right here, so I'm just gonna make it round, and I think that'll be a little easier. Oh no! Kidding me, dude. This pipe bender sucks, or this pipe sucks. It only made sense. Probably not the smartest idea to do, but I was never the smartest type. So. Dang, dude, this sucks. Oof. Maybe I need to YouTube how to bend pipe. So this was a horrible attempt at learning how to bend stainless steel tubing with a pipe bender. I went down to 1/2 inch for the horn. I went down to 1/2 inch. This is 3/4 pipe, so you know, I'm still getting these buckles like that. So I'm just gonna send it and just use them. But I'm gonna make the 90s. So I have to now. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm learning. That's what I'm here for. Is I'm learning how to do this. I've never done this before, so figuring it out though. But yeah, they're a little less than 90, and I only have one. So I guess see if I can do this again. I don't know if I can do this. This might be pretty good. I don't know. It might be hard to do this again. So we're gonna figure that out. these are the 290s I squeezed out. They are atrocious. They got kinks all in them. I don't really care because we're definitely taking that jack back. I mean that bender back, because it is not doing me too good. Unless I'm just stupid and stainless steel doesn't bend like that. I know it's like, I know it doesn't, I know it's not going to bend like that, but I feel like it should at least bend better than this a little bit. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm just an idiot, but so I guess this is what I'll have to do for every bend. Alright, so I'm not expecting much out of this thing. It was like it was like 100 and something, 125 bucks. Heck of cheap. Stupid cheap. But I'm gonna see if I can weld stainless. I can't even bend. I guess this is the place mask. I can't even bend stainless. So I don't know how I'm trying to weld stainless. We're gonna figure it out together, alright guys? See. So we are on the way to Tractor Supply because that welder that I bought did not have flux core, did not have the welding wire, so we gotta go get some. I don't really want to drive all the way back to Harbor Freight because it's a trip. I am gonna go to Tractor Supply, and if they're not, I mean if they're too expensive, then I'll just go back to, because Tractor Supply is overpriced, like for no reason, you know what I mean? So okay, so I started welding and it's not too great. Flux core stainless steel wire is expensive too, learn that. So if I ever do this again, I will not be building a stainless steel frame. I got the pipe for decently cheap, so I was like, sure, but little did I know that everything else that goes with that is a little bit more pricey too. So this video's title is probably going to be how not to weld, because this is how not to do it. I'm a little embarrassed actually, so. Gonna be it for today, guys. Wasn't much, I know, but I wanted to at least do something. I got this much of the frame done. I mean, it has its shape, and I like the front. The front turned out decent, but these welds look like chewed bubble gum, hammered dog shit, whatever else you want to call them. Go ahead. They are bananas. Bananas. Yeah. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. If not, then thanks for watching anyways.